Today actually I'm going to my hometown for the elections. And YouTuber. So his name is Bhaiya Sunny Yadav. Woo! As I said before 6 o'clock I entered here. Hey, ఆగు కొట్టుకో ఎందుకు కొడుతురా?
For more videos, please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified for upcoming videos.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Madhav. So today actually I'm going to my hometown for the elections. As you all know, elections are going on, but in Andhra Pradesh the elections are on 13th May and the time is around 9:50. My bike clock is 2 minutes faster, so it is 9:50. After 10 months I'm going to my hometown. Yeah. Hey, the door is not locked, man. Door is not locked. Door is not locked. Door is not locked. Okay, nice. While sitting into the car, they need to at least check the doors are locked. And I don't know what is the reason. Sometimes these doors also won't sense any. Now, totally, we are crossing Tamil Nadu border and entering into Andhra by crossing the checkpost between state border, Tamil Nadu and Andhra. Like going to Vijayawada via Tada, Goodur, Nellore, Ongole, Chilakalurupeta, Guntur and Mangalagiri, then Vijayawada. And in between, if I want to take stops, I'll just take. I mean, I'll take a lunch break stop, not now, after some time. And even actually, my mom also don't know that I'm going to come to my home. Like, I'm going to my hometown. Like, she is there. I mean, she is in hometown. She was not noticed. Like, I had not told her that I'm coming home. So this is surprise homecoming. So we are crossing the first toll gate of Andhra Pradesh. What's the toll gate name? Sullurpeta Toll Plaza. That's how biker line is there. So the restaurant is the Mango Tree Family Restaurant. To be frank, the hospitality, the taste of the food in the restaurant is like kind of awesome, guys. Who works in the restaurant, I don't know, like I didn't ask his name, sorry for that. So guys, he is also our subscriber. He said like bro, I had seen your shorts in YouTube and I know you, like that. He had came to me. Eventually I also don't know that. He said he had seen some short videos. In the short videos he had found my channel and he has shown that he is subscribed it. And most of my friends, they will ask like kind of bro, why you are always showing roads and doing vlogs? Why can't you do this? Why can't you do that? And why can't you do something different? Motovlog is one of the vlogging community in YouTube. People who go for rides, they know, and people who have knowledge about motorcycles, they will know about motovlogs and all. I'm not saying others are no, but they are not aware of I think so-called motovlog. Most of my friends and most of my colleagues, they ask, why are you showing always roads and why you are speaking to camera and all? Bro, it's motovlog is a community, and literally to explain it also, I don't know where it started, when it started, I also don't know. And if you guys do not know, like one of our Indian YouTuber, so his name is Bhaiya Sunny Yadav, from Telangana state. Okay, before before separating, he was started the YouTube channel. So in Telangana state, Bhaiya Sunny Yadav, he is a moto vlogger, and from Tamil Nadu, Cherry Vlogs. These two are the friends. They became friends, and they are going for all rides on the bikes, dude. See, and they have 4.5 million and 1 million followers. Like that, they are having on that thing. Okay, before in the COVID times, you can see the most clicking thing is motovlog only. He had traveled many of the places on his bike. I got inspired from him, and he started his channel in 2012. Until now, he is continuing his passion. You can see with his passion, his dedication, his hard works. Like it got him 4.5 million followers in a YouTube channel. To be frank, I am also a subscriber for him. I am following him since 2017. 2017 only I got a mobile into my hand. So since 2017 I am following him. The first vlog I had watched his vlog is from Hyderabad to Kanyakumari, and I am also like a subscriber to him. I like whether he will watch this video or not, but literally I am saying you guys, if he watched, if he messaged me, and if he just spoke to me, I'll be pleased. And moreover, they'll come to mostly he will come to Chennai only, because his friend Cherry is also in Chennai. He is from Tamil Nadu, and Cherry is also having a motor garage there. But literally, if Bhaiya Sunny Yadav, bro, he comes to Chennai and ping me, like saying, bro, da ride bodam, like it will be good. And I am like kind of just started my motor vlogging and vlogging career, YouTube career, and he is like sustaining from 2012. Then like literally see, dude, how many years of struggle. And moreover, they are not having a single penny. They won't have any savings in single penny also. Whatever amount they are getting, they are putting into the traveling and all. Now they are in South Africa. If you don't know, I'll definitely give a link in description and put some short video here. Bhaiya Sunny Yadav, bro, ఇది నువ్వు చూస్తున్నట్టయితే కనుక తప్పుగా తీసుకోకు. And hope so he will safely come back after 2 months. 2 months, bro, ఒకవేళ నువ్వు 2 months తర్వాత వస్తే, if you have time to meet me, literally, bro, definitely I'm saying I'll come and meet you. It's a honor for me. We crossed Rungol. How certain cases, see how this guy is coming.
Hi friends, bye friends.
This guy is seeing me the whole way. Kids and friends, they are saying hi to me. Finally, I said hi to them. Toll Plaza, Vijayawada Tollway Private Limited. Finally, guys, I'm entering into my hometown. From here again, I need to travel 10 more kilometers. This is highway, so my hometown is too inside. Things so that I'll just take a small break and I'll start. Man. Woo! As I said before 6 o'clock, I entered here. Man, that's a Ambedkar statue. It is in PWD ground. Okay. That's Indrakiladri Durga Talli, Durga Mata, and this is Krishna. This is MG Road. My mom doesn't know that I'm coming. Let's record her reaction. ఛార్జింగ్ లేదు తెల్లే డోర్ది. ఆగు కొట్టకు. ఎందుకు కొడుతురా? ఎందుకు కొడుతున్నా అమ్మా? నీకోసమే కదా నేను వచ్చింది.
సరే వద్దా ఉంటా. కాదురా నీకేం చెప్పాను పొద్దున వచ్చినప్పుడు చెప్పరా అని చెప్పానా?
ఏంటి ఇప్పుడు? అందరు చూస్తున్నారు నన్ను.
ఎవరు చూడలేదు.
కన్సర్న్
చెప్పలేదు.
వదిలేయచ్చు కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఏంటి
చెప్పాలి కదా, వంట చేయాలని చెప్పానా?
టిఫిన్ అన్నావు కదా, టిఫిన్ పెట్టు. అబ్బా
ఎక్కడికో వెళ్తున్నానని చెప్పినట్టున్నా.
హాయ్ చెప్పు కెమెరాకి. హాయ్ చెప్పాను. So today actually I'm taking my family for a restaurant to just have a food. Like it had been like kind of long time, so we had not gone for any outside. So I thought take my mom and my mama and atta, they are in front. So that's it for the day, guys, and I'm ending my vlog here. I hope so like this video. At least I hope you liked my mom hitting me. I hope so you definitely like it. If so, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon to get notified for more videos. This is Savi Madhav signing off. I'm too tired, man. I can't able to do the outro so properly. And by the way, just tell me in comments how's my outfit. So black shirt and grey trouser and my face and my beard. I hope so you guys liked it. It's a bad outro, I know that. Please, just for this time.